Today, I'm going to show you how to protect your door edge. This is the same clear protection vinyl I'm using for my rear strut bar and C-pillar brace to protect its finish. I'm going to start by cutting 2 1/2-inch wide strips with a fresh blade. You may need to make multiple passes to cut all the way through. I cut both these pieces to 32 inches, but you can make yours a little longer if you want to wrap it further along the bottom edge of the door. You can see I already had to apply touch-up paint here. This is what I'm hoping to prevent doing again in the future. This will also help prevent any accidental damage when opening the doors next to other cars or walls. I used alcohol to prep the door edge after first cleaning it with soap and water to remove any finger oils. Now to take my clear vinyl strip and start from just under the bend in the door. Once I have it centered, I'll push it around the edge starting from the top and work my way down. Only pull a few inches of the backing off at a time while you work the strip into place. When you're finished, it should look like this. I did get a little bubble here, but I'll work that out with my vinyl air wrap release tool, which is basically a very sharp and narrow pin. I also got a small one here too, but that'll be easy to work out. Take your time on the bottom corner to prevent any folds in the vinyl. You'll want to fold it over a little bit at a time so it conforms to the curve. And now the driver's side is done. This vinyl should do a good job in protecting the door, as it does an amazing job in the trunk protecting my strut bar and C-pillar brace from cargo. Best of all, it's hard to detect unless you're standing close to the car. I hope this helps you out. If you haven't hit subscribe to my channel yet, please do so now, and as always, thank you for watching.